Good day, sir. I'm Carlayan Bualat. I learned that the self is defined as separate, self-contained, independent, consistent, unitary, and private according to Stevens. This means that each person has their own unique identity, thoughts and experiences, even if they live in the same family or society. But at the same time, I realize that the self cannot be fully separated from culture. Culture gives me meaning to our values, beliefs, and behaviors, and it shapes how we express our independence and uniqueness. For example, I'm Filipino culture. Respect and close family ties are part of who we are, and these values influence how we see ourselves and how others see us. Reflecting on this, I understood that while the self may be private and distinct, it is also deeply connected with the culture and society where it exists. In the end, I realized that culture and self are not opposites, but partners that work together in shaping our identity.